Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mask Monday. Welcome. And I'm going to do the Sephora mask. This is the Nourishing and Soothing, and this is from the package that I showed. I think it was Black Friday I showed that. Coconut extract. So let's open it up and get it started, and then I will see if there's any more important information on here. They give you a little place to start, and I just can't. There we go. Okay. Oh, Camille, you'll have to move out of the way. This has a lot of wonderful, like white creamy stuff. It smells like coconut. So this is the mask. You better sit down, lovey. Sit, sit. It's very saturated. Sephora's masks are pretty expensive, y'all, just like by the each. And that mask set, I got a good deal on it. So if you can get a good deal on it, or even honestly, really, for what you're getting in there, it's a good price. It's worth it. Let's see. Ooh, cold. I don't know about y'all, but it's freezing in my house. It is very damp outside. It's raining, which we need it. We need the rain very, very badly. So that's good. It's more of like a mist, an all-day mist. It's been misting. Of course, you're seeing this in the morning. So, but we really need the rain. Ooh, I'm too cold to put it on my cheeks. But I will. This sort of went backwards a little bit here. Where's that? I can't grab it. There we go. How are y'all? And are y'all able to mask today? Now, I know some of you mask while you're watching us on YouTube, which is nice. Okay. Oh, that fits nice. I like when it'll cling to my skin, especially around my neck. And see some of that essence on there? So you can put that essence, you know, on your skin. And I like to do that. If there's extra, you know, rub it on your neck, on your chest. It's good. Good, good, good. Okay, so let's see. It says that it is hydrating, hyaluronic acid, and nourishing, soothing super mix. I'm trying to see if there's anything really important I need to tell you, but I don't really think there is. Okay. But anyway, the Sephora masks, I've recently gotten a couple of them, and I thought, and I've been wanting this package that I just showed you for a while, since last year. And then they never, you know, they have it just at the holiday time, is my understanding. And then, you know, but they keep it always on their website. You just click on it and then it says sold out. So that's sort of frustrating. So I thought, well, when I see it, I'll get it. And then got a good deal. So anyway, okay. I was looking to see how long it should stay on. It says unfold the mask, apply to dry skin. No need to rinse. Those are my favorites. And it says 10 minutes. Okay, that's all. I usually leave my masks on 15 to 30 minutes. So anyway, all right, I have some friend mail, and I want to tell you all, in case you didn't see my, let's see, I did a live on Saturday, very impromptu live. Just was home and unpacked, and it was a beautiful sunny day. It was cold, but chilly, 60 is not bad. And I thought, I'm going to go live just because I missed y'all. So if you want to see that, you can go back and watch it. Now on your phone, where the comments are, there's a little dot, 2 little dots. Let me over here for you. And you have to take on the comments, you move it, and then you'll see the comments from the video. I don't know why YouTube keeps changing things and making it more and more complicated and harder to find important things. So, but that's what they do. So, yeah, that's what they do. So if you want to see those comments, they are there. And I'm home, and I had a really good time with my family. The weather there was very mild when I got there, in the 50s for a few days, and then it went into the 40s, and then it went into the 30s. And then I left, and then on Saturday morning and Saturday night, they got snow overnight. And I think it was still snowing on Sunday. Hey, Blue. And Blue is very, very needy. Okay. He missed me the most, I think. I would say Blue missed me the most, which is funny because usually it's Smudge. Okay, Camille, she's happy to see me, and she, but she's independent. She doesn't really need to see me. Okay, all right, Blue, settle. I got some friend mail from two lovely ladies. Sit. So the first one is from Miss Sally Cookie, and that is Peach Rose. All right, can you sit down, Lovey? Sit. He's trying to sit on the towel, so I'm moving the towel. And Sally has her addresses on here, so I'm going to just show you. I want to show you the pretty stamp. It's a forever stamp, and it's a snowman. I don't know if you can see that. It's a snow globe, a snowman in a snow globe. I love snow globes. When my sister was little, my sister was born when I was 15, one of my sisters, and I just doted on her, and I bought her, every year for Christmas, I bought her snow globes for a long time, so she's got quite a collection. So this, oh, how lovely. This is a Christmas card from Miss Sally. It says Winter Wishes. I love snowman. Oh, and you can't really see it on the white, but there, do you see the snowflakes? There's snowflakes that are sparkling. Very pretty, Sally. And it says, Dear Mary and Kitties, wishing you a holiday filled with happy times. From Sally Peach Rose. Thank you, Miss Sally. That's so sweet. I love that. I love that. Beautiful Christmas card. I can't believe it. I can't believe it was just Thanksgiving, and I can't believe that it's Christmas coming. I just can't believe it, y'all. Cats are better than people, are greater than people. Isn't that what that means? Anyway, just saying. Okay. And then I got a card from the lovely Just Janet. And her card also has our addresses on it. So let me show you her cute little stickers. Oh, she's got a little Christmas sticker on the back. I opened it upside down somehow with some ornaments, with some greenery. And then there is this cute little bunny. And this stamp is cute too. This stamp is a Labrador Retriever. How cute is that? Y'all, there's some good stamps out there. And then this is, oh, how pretty. How pretty that is. Those are acorns, and it says, Eat, drink, and be thankful. Dear Mary, I am so thankful for you. You have been such a sweetheart, and I love you. Love, Janet. Janet, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. I'm so thankful for you, too. I really am so thankful for all of y'all. I love that you all come to see me every day. I know that it gets busy, especially with the holidays coming, but I just love to see y'all. And I love to talk to y'all. And y'all, I got so far behind on comments, it was impossible to catch up. But guess what I did? When I was away, I had a lot of downtime with my parents, and I answered, well, maybe not answered. I had to heart a bunch of comments from ages ago, but I tried to answer every comment that I could, and I'm all caught up. Now, don't say that too loud, because who knows what will happen by tomorrow. So I'm going to try my very best to keep up with the comments each and every day. That's the thing is, if one day you get behind one day, it's hard to keep up again. It's hard to catch up. But I don't want you all to stop commenting, because I love to talk to you. I really do. And I've been told, and I hardly ever remember to talk about these things. Of course, if you're here, especially if you're here this long, it's 9 minutes into the video. I hope you're subscribed. Please subscribe. And also give me a thumbs up, y'all, or a thumbs down. If you didn't like this video, you can give me a thumbs down. Oh, I'm missing a nail. You can give me a thumbs down if you need to. That's okay. I understand. Personally, I know there's a place we can look at the thumbs down, but I don't see them. I don't ever see them. So you can do whatever you want. But of course, I would prefer a thumbs up. But that's supposed to help our algorithm. My algorithm, I don't think is working, because I just don't think it is. So anyway, y'all, that's all I got, I think. I just wanted to say I had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I got to see all of my immediate family and my aunt, my mom's sister. She just has one sister left. that's still alive, and she lives in the Chicago area also, and got to see her a couple of times, and got to see my siblings and their kids. There was one kid I didn't get to see. They're all grown. The youngest is going to be 30 in December. They're all grown, but she was sick, so I didn't get to see her. And the first time we got together, she had other plans. You know, she's 29. She had other plans. And then when Thanksgiving rolled around, she was sick. So I didn't get to see her. But I did text her back and forth. And everything was fine there. So that, I mean, it was nice to talk with her. And I think that's it. So I just had a good time. It was, I guess you could say it was relaxing, but I don't sleep well, not at home. And this is not the house I grew up in. And my parents have a very different schedule than I do. Let's just put it that way. But I love them, and my mom kept feeding me. You'd just be done eating, and she'd say, "Are you hungry?" You know, that's how moms are, though. So thank you, Mom, for taking such excellent care of me, and I love you and Dad so much, and I love my family, and I hope that you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and have a wonderful and blessed week, and count your blessings, y'all. Bye-bye.